Today I'm going to show you how to create this sultry blue smoky eye. Usually I do my foundation after my eyes to avoid fallout, but today I'm trying something new. I'm baking my face and leaving it there while I do my eyes. The powder should catch any fallout so that it can just be swept away. With the eyelids primed as well, I'm first sweeping a matte nude blush into the crease and smoking it out towards the brow. This is our transition shade. Next, I'm switching to a smaller, denser brush and deepening the crease with a darker, matte, fleshy brown. Switching back to the big, fluffy brush, blend the browns together. Highlight the brow bone with a matte cream shade and buff out any harsh edges.
You'd be coming back today, but you didn't.
Next, I'm covering the lid with a black eyeliner to serve as a base. Oops, looks like the tip broke. How long until I notice? Using a black base will bring out the color of the reflect when working with metallic or duochrome eyeshadows. I'm also lightly softening the edges to help everything blend seamlessly later on. On top of that, I'm packing a blackened navy blue eyeshadow that has a lighter blue sparkle. As you can see, the black base is really making the blue sparkle pop. I find that using my finger gives me the most color payoff, but then I switch to a brush for precision. Go back in with more of the dark brown to blend the blue into the crease. Switch to the fluffy brush again to make sure everything is well blended. Anytime I do a lot of blending, I always add back in any intensity that may have been lost. Now let's sweep away that powder and see how it worked. Yep, pretty good. Sweep the light brown all along the lower lash line. Apply the dark brown on top, but don't bring it down quite as far. Concentrating on the base of your lashes, apply the blue.
Yeah, you told me the other day.
Blend into the browns. You may need to go back in and re-intensify the blue. Highlight the inner corner with a glittery silver. Line the waterline with a dark blue eyeliner. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.